back in the days, before Big C come in, you need to cough for hide a fart. Now, you have to fart for hide your cough. Yo, wanna go on with delayed. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out with another reaction. And today, we react to Lowkey, Daily Duppy. How much people in the grand business name Lowkey? I know there's a Lowkey, but me react to Lowkey OFB already. But this is somebody else that's called Lowkey. So can somebody explain this Lowkey business to me? Cause everybody named Lowkey or what? Anyway, light already. Water ready. Do this! Now that you've done that, please guys, subscribe if you're new around here. And also big up the new subscribers them and big up the foundation subscribers them that have been traveling the journey with your boy. So let's jump straight to another one. This is a Daily Duppy. Make sure the headphone them on. Make sure everything plug in. Big up my source who send me that one and say yo react. So I say why not? It would be rude not to. Let's go. Yo, this is the infamous Daily Ghost. Jamaica said Duppy. We said Duppy at Jamaica. So big up Daily Duppy. Big up GRM Daily also. Courtesy of
Guess who's back when I step through acting.
Oh. Sorry for stop it already. I'm jumping on the beats. Let's go.
Ran into blurred lines like a Neptune's track. Bigger stuff hit 'em up like a Vex 2 pack. Pause and download this like a next new app.
Ah, the man say yo hit them up like a Vex 2 pack. You know saying 2 pack Vex. In this song hit them up. You know say 2 pack was just ranting and just telling you what go another song they do. So the man say, oh, hit them up like a Vex 2 pack wordplay. I like that. Let's go.
Simpletons ask his think he's an artist. The only place that you got links is your armpit. Yeah.
Ooh! The man say, yo, hey boy, you waste man, you think you're an artist? Eh? The only place you don't have no links. The only place you have links. See links there? Deodorant. And your armpit. And sometimes you don't even have none because you stink. You are tink. You don't have no links. But the only place, if you did have link, I know you're a dirty stinking armpit. What? Like that. What's it? People, I have to stop the video already because me hear bars. This have more bars than Bomba. Bomba was Guantanamo Bay. All heap of bars. Let's go.
Ignorant, harmless. Think that your bar 6 verse me is like trying to sprint with an R6. You hear?
Yo, you versus me? You versus me in a one clash battle, in a one rap battle? It's like you are try race with the R6. You try race with the R6. Brother, R6 is a motorbike. And you sprint against our R6. Go away, bro.
Armpit, you're ignorant, harmless. Think that your bar 6 verse me is like trying to sprint with an R6. You hear?
Him say R6, but him put the R there, sir.
Armpit, you're ignorant, harmless. Think that your bar 6 verse me is like.
Him say armpit, but him take the R6, the car. You know you have A6 R6. This is a sports version. Okay, makes sense. Sorry. But you know you have R6 motorcycle also. You have R6 like I'm show you as well. So it could be anyone. Two of them fast. So you can. Let's go.
Trying to sprint with an R6. You hear what we can rap like De Niro eating black. When you rap, you sound like Ben Shapiro reading WAP.
Ooh, who is this guy? Who is this guy? Like this is unexpected from me. Like me never expect him forward to hard at the first minute. Let's go.
Next year's not a hotel, you're all leaving. Cause I'll be killing the game for 4 seasons. Not in a valley, say I'm genuine like I didn't marry. Need gigs as big as Ali Pally when I'm hitting Manny. Yo, this is fire. Big up the
big up me link, not the armpit one. Big up my link who sent me this and say, yo, react, you know. Big him up, you know.
Don't dilly-dally, silly Billy, getting really pally. I'd rather keep it in-house like you're in an alley. It's phenomenal, spitting horrible, written chronicles. They bit and borrow tunes if I did or didn't acknowledge you.
Yo, this guy's going off. This guy's a raging madman. This guy's mad with bars. This guy... Listen what the man said.
In an alley, it's phenomenal, spitting horrible, written chronicles. They bit and borrow tunes if I did or didn't acknowledge you.
Let me just say also, apart from the bars, big up the editing. Big up the editing. Big up the editor for this. I big up the editor for Daily Duppy. Me know what editing like. It take a lot of work. So, to you to do this, brother, a lot of work. Big up yourself. Or big up the team.
An oracle off the head like I'm spitting follicles. It isn't possible because you're limited like a fossil fuel. Flex on tracks like Usain Bolt.
The man say, you're limited like a fossil fuel. Remember, you know, them think they hard for finding us, so them limited, you know. You see me? You are limited. Him say flex on the track like Usain Bolt.
It isn't possible because you're limited like a fossil fuel. Flex on tracks like Usain Bolt.
Flex on the track like Usain Bolt, brother. You know, so when Usain Bolt I run the Olympics, Usain Bolt goes up and start flex even before him even finish. You don't know how you saying that. Our Usain, our national hero, living legend. Me not about no win the legend, me mean legend. Big up Usain. But the man, yo, bars. What? Lighter, I don't want water. Just burn some lighter right now. Lighter. I don't want water. Let's go.
Rip beats like Bruce Wayne's clothes. True say I'm like the UK's 𝐷𝐄𝐄𝐿. Tracks like Usain Bolt. Rip beats like Bruce Wayne's clothes.
Rip peas or rip beat? Where him say this on? Rip beats that use like
You're limited like a fossil fuel. Flex on tracks like Usain Bolt. Rip beats like Bruce Wayne's clothes. True say I'm like the UK's 𝐷𝐿. Like
so the man say, man, the UK, whoever the guy that is. I'm not gonna comment because I don't know who that person is. But once I get big up the editor for putting them thing in it.
Martin get martyred for the truth they told in new tape mode. Don't say I'm like the UK's 𝐷𝐿. Like Martin get martyred for the truth they told in new.
Man say like Martin Luther King. Martin Luther King was assassinated for the truth we might tell because he's a freedom fighter. So them assassinate the boss. So I say yo.
New tape mode, don't make me switch like UK gold. You can only make bread now if you save dough.
Don't make me switch like UK gold. You can only make bread.
New tape mode, don't make me switch like UK gold. You can only make bread now if you save dough.
You can only make bread only if you save dough. That are the only bread you are gonna make. Can you know so them refer to money as bread? That are the only bread where you are gonna make in a dog. Unless you have the dough. See the dough there? That are the only unless you have dough. You know what I mean? No more bread. Lift up.
I'm who they quote, I do they don't. Dump Trump in the sea, watch his toupee float.
What? Yo! Yo! The man said, hold on, let me move my mic out of the screen. The man said, dump Trump in the sea and watching toupee float. Why they do Trump like that? Oh, God. Trump, yo.
I'm who they quote, I do they don't. Dump Trump in the sea, watch his toupee float. I pour out my heart on the lane like playing Tottenham. Justice for the 72, we say it often. I
pour out my heart on the lane like playing Tottenham. White Hart Lane. That's where Tottenham football ground is. I know that, man. Come on, man. Like, give me some props, man. Come on, man. Let's go.
See refugees in the boats, they gave him coffins. We saw Wiley cancelled, but never Katie Hopkins.
Oh. Wait.
Often see refugees in the boat.
Into something about Grenfell.
I'm who they quote, I do they don't. Dump Trump in the sea, watch his toupee float. I pour out my heart on the lane like playing Tottenham.
Yo, this guy. Big up yourself, bro. Lowkey, big up yourself, bro. God. Big up yourself, G. Like, big up yourself, dog. You're different, brother.
Justice for the 72, we say it often.
Justice for the 72. So we all know a couple years back, Grenfell Tower in London burned down and 72 people lost their life. RIP. But no, there's no justice. Nobody was held accountable for that. So the artists them still are putting on them song. Dave do it, Stormzy do it, Emma do it, and I don't know how much other artists do it. Justice! People them want justice.
See refugees in the boats, they gave them coffins. We saw Wiley cancelled, but never Katie Hopkins.
So Wiley, everybody know Wiley, but Katie Hopkins is more controversial than Wiley. But them cancel Wiley off of them social media. Obviously, Wiley is a street youth, Wiley is a rapper, but Katie Hopkins is say in the high class, as what they would say. Katie Hopkins, suck your mother, girl. That me I tell you. You look cha. Me not like her, you know. Cause I be a little nastiness. She come out her dirty mouth. Her mouth one GS. Hey, girl. Suck your mother again, girl. Let's go.
Crunch time, smash a tour, dumb guys rapping for the Queen's head. Make you see red like a matador. Rappers might diss, wanna analyze this. Not on your wave, over your head like a satellite dish.
Man say, yo, when just say, well, I go over your head like satellite this. For you average ABC rapper, when me just say, well, I go over the wall on your head. Cause you're not good. You're not on my level. So me a spit bars, we go over on your head like a satellite dish. No joke about that.
R.I.P. Daily Duppy DOA. Even though we see those pains, we obey. Even
man say R.I.P. Daily Duppy DOA. You see me? R.I.P. Daily Duppy. Man say yo, me a kill it. Him know say me a kill it. Him know.
No, they play tricks, we will be okay. But the real matrix is where Neo wakes. I'm telling you, I'm not the one. That big Morpheus pissed, cause the historians are ignoring us.
Whoa, guy. This guy, man. This guy is going in, man. This guy is going in, bro. This guy's all going in, bro. This guy's going in, bro. Fix me out again. Light up light again. Let's go again.
Sick story is still secret, I'm victorious. They talk it, but don't walk it like Pistorius. Astounded when I see these cowards sour, I can write rhyme snake.
Can somebody give me the history on this guy, please? Like just put in the comment section of which other song him do or what. Please, cause a brother ya dog. This guy's very intelligent. He's very intelligent. No joke about that. It's gonna be a next long video because me I gonna stop it every 10 seconds and talk. I just how we do it over here. You understand? This is a reaction / breakdown. You understand? Yeah.
And ladders, so how you gonna climb high? Bide your time, they will feel your power when your light shines like time. Never got his flowers in his lifetime. Days so sick, the patience is not a virtue.
Yo, they're so sick. Patience is not a virtue. Yo, Jaja. This guy is not about jewelry for him. Look on him, not about jewelry. Just a normal t-shirt and a normal tracksuit bottom, and the man has spit some bars, brother. The man is not your average Joe. He's not your average Lowkey. He's not your average rapper. This guy's an alien brain. This guy's not from planet Earth. This guy's got bars. No for them I go over on no head.
Think outside of the box, beyond your circle. Rap like I wanna hurt you, it's gone commercial. But rap like I wanna help you, it's controversial.
You see it? Rap like I want for help is controversial, but rap, yo. Wordplay, brother. Similes, metaphor, puns. Cheese.
Days you're staying on the game, but not with personal. Shower man, remember your reign is not eternal. Digitally stop and search, you should stop the verbal.
Oh, well on. Me explain to know what shower man is already, but I don't think he's talking about it right here. So the same shower man as the shower posse at Jamaica. I don't think he's talking about this right here. So him say something else.
Personal. Shower man, remember your reign is not eternal. Digitally stop and search, you should stop the verbal.
The digitally stop and search is not even Yo, he's burning everything. Him a burn out everything, brother. Him a burn out injustice. Him a burn out racism. Him a burn out inequity. Him a burn out the lie that we tell that them tell we. Him a burn out everything in an indirect way. Smart guy, dog.
They'll remember my name as long as Churchill. Seems like speaking now is getting harmful.
Man say, yo, remember my name like Churchill. You know what's a Churchill dead long time ago, but people still remember Churchill for the work when put in or whatever him do. People still know Churchill. Churchill dep on the back of the 5-pound note. Man say, yo, speaking out is getting harmful. See it up on the screen? I know me I say it, I say it. Speaking out is getting harmful. Speaking out is getting harmful. So you have to mind what you said because you don't want to offend nobody. Because everything people just thin skin right now. Yo.
Even DJs with dodges getting artful. They could write articles to get your heart full. Getting harmful. Even DJs with dodges getting artful.
Even DJ with dodger is getting artful. Artful or artful? That part that kind of go over my head still. Let me hear it again.
As Churchill seems like speaking now is getting harmful. Even DJs with dodges getting artful.
Artful dodger. Artful dodger. Artful dodger. That's the next word play.
They could write articles to get your heart full. They rather do is write a hit piece on Meghan Markle.
Whoa.
Artful. They could write articles to get your heart full. They rather do is write a hit piece on Meghan Markle.
Yeah, because we know so them put down Meghan Markle, you know. Them blame her for everything where Harry do. Like Harry have him one mind. Everything on Meghan. Look, come on for the woman name. Come on for the woman name. Harry is pussy whip. Nobody no care. Harry pussy whip. Harry left for no royal family and Ghana, America or Canada, which part of Pum rule. Meghan fling up the thing pan Harry. Meghan fling up the thing pan Harry. And Harry gone. Harry give up everything. I will do anything for you. I will catch a grenade for you. I will leave the royal family for you, tun. Man is not a issue, Meghan pum turn up. Ooh, see that? Man is not a issue, Meghan pum turn up. Yeah! Harry, you gone.
I could tear up a cipher in sandals. Rappers are destroying the art. Think vandals. It's a shamble. Don't sweat it like Prince Andrew.
Prince Andrew, you look up dirtiness, yo. FBI call you. You sweat. And I talk about you not sweat. There's picture of you sweating. Nasty boy. FBI want you. Go over there.
Me and rap like Jada and August entangled. Vandals, it's a shamble. Don't sweat it like Prince Andrew. Me and rap like Jada and August entangled.
Jada, that I will. Jada, can't see her good. But that I will wife. And my boy, I forgot her name anyway. Them in a situationship, them entangled. I mean, me that fuck it too. Yeah, look good. You mean, me that giant that too. But me want to drop it on my feelings like that boy. Yeah. Now dropping on my feelings. No way.
Make a bad boy look like Will Smith, still pissed. Spill bits on films, give you chills on the real tip.
Make a bad boy like Will Smith feel pissed off. I know I say Will Smith come with that bad boy film. So the entanglement they make Will Smith feel pissed. Although you're a bad boy, Will Smith, you're pissed. Me that pissed too.
Having me spitting around you is a real risk, cause COVID-19 now is not the only illness. Love to all of those suffering, and our thoughts and prayers.
Man said big up to everybody who suffering from the big C. They won't call it because they don't know what YouTube stay already. Big up to everybody who suffering from the big C. We are terrorized earlier. Now, love and prayers goes out to everybody. You understand? See it there?
Morning since last year, should have been more prepared. Now if you're coughing in public, it's an awkward stare.
Yeah, true. If you got public answer, oh yes, them look at you. They have COVID. Hey, mommy joking your eye. Who you talk to? Me can't have a come and cold no more. Me can't sick anymore. Everything a COVID. Me can't have a normal tickly cough anymore. Everything.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Right now, back in the days, before Big C come in, you need to cough for hide a fart. Now, you have to fart for hide your cough in a public. You have to fart loud enough and then...
Oh, my chest. I can't breathe. Oh, shit. My chest is going.
How saw it go right now? Cause everybody look at you and I move away. Get away, you nasty buggers. What's wrong with you?
No, it would have been different if it was Corbin there, Jordan Air, last dancers laughing last. Shed a tear for all the NHS staff that passed.
Shed a tear for them. Shed a tear for the NHS staff that passed because them out there do them best on the front line. Big up all of the one them, the janitor them, the porters them, the shopkeeper them, the postman them, the bin collector them. Big up all of the key workers them, dog. Big up them, brother.
Economics looking shady in this aftermath. Passing hard like a martial arts masterclass. Learn about their pain, better yet learn to pronounce their names.
Yo, this youth are doing more American and him a chant, brother. Him a chant.
Think you got more in common with Boris, shit out your brain. It's a dead cert before they get better. Things will get worse. What can Boris say to the family of a dead nurse?
What you can say, Boris? What you can say about the family of a dead nurse, Boris? That the man asks you. What can you say about the family? What can you say to the family of a dead nurse? Eh? Before you get... Yo, Boris. You're clueless. You are clueless to what's going on, Boris. You are making it up as you go along. You are a duppy. Not daily duppy, though. You are a duppy bat. That is what you are. Duppy, bat, ghost, Casper. Not the friendly one, though. Idiot.
Labels only care about your streams and your record sales. They don't care about your dreams and your mental health.
Labels, uno me a talk to. Uno only care about uno streams, uno record sale, uno money, uno bing. That's all uno care about. Uno care about the artists who wanna work with mental health. Uno care about that. Uno care say some of these artists are under pressure. Uno care about that. Uno care about uno money. That's all uno care about. Uno if you think about people and stop thinking about money all the while. That the man I say, fire for uno. Bonnet look redder. Fire for uno. Yeah, there's something there.
They don't care about these teens when they step in cells. Don't believe the machine, just protect yourself. Talker can't compare to an author. Is the label able to care for your trauma?
Talker can't compare to an author. The label don't care about your trauma where you go through. The label don't care about your sickness. Them just want them work done. If you sign with them, them just want them work done. Them don't care how it done, just do it. Terrible world we're living in.
You can change your life with a smooth maneuver. You could be a wounded healer or wounded wounder. These are rotten times. The bottom line is we need
wordplay. I have to catch that again.
Smooth maneuver. You could be a wounded healer or wounded wounder.
You can be a wounded healer or a what? What?
For your trauma, you can change your life with a smooth maneuver. You could be a wounded healer or wounded wounder.
A wounded wound or a wounded healer. Yo, that go over my head. When I tell you like that gone over my head. That too much for me for process right now on this.
It's a rotten times. The bottom line is we need each other. It's not right. The songs are right for the grieving mothers. His ex don't see the pain, just seeing the numbers deep.
In times like this, people need each other. But what the government them tell you for those social distance, rule of 6, you can't do. But yet still you have one classroom with 30 at picnic night. From different households. But your brethren them can't come check you. Them have these little masks. What them I tell you about, I gotta protect you. If the mask them work, then why do we need to social distance? Why we can't carry on and just wear the mask? Eh? We're not liar, we're not wicked. Fire phone too. But not dirty government. We're not like no.
The way we can betray people that love us. If you could dial up, make phone calls to heaven. Reason with ghosts, get social with legends. What would
if you could die and just make a phone call to heaven, need a reason with ghosts.
You say that you had no balls to tell him. Some of us remember, we won't all forget them. I would tell Yassin numerous babies were named after him. Can't
man say me not tell Yassin say him baby with a name after him. So obviously that has somebody when him last. You see me? Him want connect to on the phone in heaven, but we all know that is not possible, right?
tarnish him. He was blessed with a heart attempt. 3 years later, we're having the same arguments. The real arsonists are covered up like a garbage in comparison. Thief for joy, find your blessing.
Man, so the real arson is covered up. Which we all know there's so much conspiracy in the world nowadays. That youth has spit some facts in the brother. That youth have more find out more about this youth. Please put in the comment section, dog. About this person, dog. Who is this Lowkey guy, brother? It's not Lowkey OFB because me react to theme song already. It's not Lowkey. This is a different Lowkey. G.
Time to mention Ty, they try to forget him. Say left's the answer in life.
Oh, who is that? Who was that? Who was that? Who was that? Who was that?
Thief for joy, find your blessing. Time to mention Ty, they try.
It's time to mention it. Ty, who is Ty? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Them try to forget him.
Forget him. Say left's the answer in life's a question. Rest in power, Black the Ripper. You died a legend.
Rest in power, Black the Ripper. Rest in power, my dog. You just collapse and dead. So like young arty, you just collapse and dead. So because he was pushing a lot of information on his social media because you know some of us social following. Him that push a lot of it about the Big C and about his a conspiracy and them thing there, and also he's a big advocate of weed smoking, make weed legal in England, Great Britain. So him just collapsed and dead one day suspiciously, mysteriously. So I must say R.I.P. Black the Ripper, R.I.P. Michi.
Legend.
Yo, this Daily Duppy was solid. This Daily Duppy was emotion up and down. The man attacked some things tonight, brother, where you know have to look into. You know have to look into. It's not a coincidence. It's not a coincidence. It's not a goat incident. It's not a hog incident. It's not a cat incident. It's an incident where you need to look into. That's the way the man are telling you. You understand what I tell you? Yeah. Guys, if you enjoy this reaction, because this is a reaction / breakdown, you know. Big up all of the reaction channel them, but my thing is different over here. So big up everybody who try to do them thing different. My thing is different. Please join the team by subscribing, you know, leaving a like on the video, you know. Welcome to the team. You know what I mean? So guys, have a good and productive day. If you can't be good, be lucky. If you don't have nothing good to say, don't say nothing at all. Don't offend nobody with a dirty mouth. You hear that? What time is it? Time to leave. Let's go.